if you're organizing space on your drives and you want to move one of your Steam games from one drive to another, how exactly can you do it without uninstalling the whole thing and then reinstalling it in its new destination? Well, we'll be going over that in today's video. So here's how you do it step by step. First up, what you want to do is click on Steam in top left corner, and then from there, go into settings. Once you're there, look for storage in the list on the left hand side and click on it. There you'll find a list of all installed Steam games on every drive. So you'll see a list of drives at the top. So you want to click on it and then select whichever drive it is that holds the game you want to move. Then once you've found the games you want to move, simply just click on the tick box next to it to select it, and you can select as many titles as you want here at once. Then once you've made your selection, click on the move button at the bottom, where you get to select what new drive you want to move your games to. Then just click on move again, and the process will begin, as long as you have enough space of course, which if you don't, then Steam will make you very much aware. But what if you don't see the drive you want to move your games to in that list? Well, then you have to add a brand new drive with a Steam games destination in it. So what you want to do is go back to the initial drives list, and then you see add drive at the bottom. This will make a small pop-up appear where you can select any new drives that don't have a Steam folder yet to get one, which will then allow you to move games to it as well. And then from that point on, you'll see that drive in the list of potential destinations. And just like that, the games will begin to move over and they'll all end up on a brand new drive, freeing up space on the old one. So that's exactly how you can move games on Steam from one drive to another without removing and reinstalling them. So hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.